And hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
This topic we are going to articles. So in English language, there are the articles which has been already asked in the HSC board examinations. Whenever you are going to face HSC board examinations, articles is you ask for 2 marks. So it is both in both point of view. Articles are very important, and you can use that articles in your day to day life also. Even in a speaking of English language, you have to get the whole knowledge about the articles. Generally, up to the 10th standard, what happened actually? Articles is the is a we come to know by our teachers that articles is that A and D. Is it correct? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
आर्टिकल
sir. Yes.
आर्टिकल मीन्स क्या होता है, आपको पता है? किसी को डेफिनेशन वगैरह कुछ पता है उसकी? आर्टिकल्स कौन से? हेलो.
I don't know, sir.
ओके, एनीबडी एल्स फ्रॉम योर साइड? आर्टिकल्स.
No,
Sir,
no.
and the.
हाँ,
A
यस.
and the.
And D. हाँ, A and D. These are the three articles which is used in English language before a noun. Before a noun. You have already studied about that noun. Noun means to say that a name of a person, place, or a thing is called noun. Okay. So there are some kinds of nouns, and before that nouns, to specify this particular noun, we use articles. Okay. We use articles. So generally in English language, A and D, you can make a notes yourself. You can make a running notes. So A and D, these are the three articles which is used in English language. Okay. So you can get the information here. You can see articles are the members of determiner family. The word and A and D are articles. Okay. So this is the three word which is we called articles in Hindi, or in Marathi we called it upapade. Upapade. That is called. Articles are used before nouns. You can see generally when we use articles. Articles are used before a noun. Noun. नाउन के पहले जब भी कोई नाम आता है, नाउन आता है, उसके पहले हम आर्टिकल्स यूज करते हैं. या इसका मतलब ये है कि ए, एन और दी, ये जो थ्री आर्टिकल्स है, यह तीन आर्टिकल्स जो है, हम जो भी नाउन होता है उसके पहले हमें यूज करना पड़ता है. जनरली उसी के लिए उसका यूज होता है, और उसके लिए हमको कुछ रूल फॉलो करना पड़ता है. In shortly, in your NDA examinations, articles are used. Articles are asked for one or two questions. Near about two questions are asked on the articles. Spotting error. Spotting error. So we are learning that this grammar from that online point of view, or an offline point of view. The articles are articles, or might be the grammar parts which is used, which is asked in examinations for the spotting error. And it is a very basic grammar which is asked, but you have to not guess only, you have to get the detailed study of that articles, then you are able to solve the grammar atoms. Okay, here you can see the articles has been divided into two groups. Keep in your mind, articles are divided into two groups. First group is indefinite articles. It is the first parts of the articles, indefinite articles, and the another one is definite articles. Okay, definite and indefinite articles. This is the two parts of articles. If we want to divide articles, that can be divided into two. A and जो फर्स्ट पार्ट आएगा आर्टिकल्स का उसको कहेंगे हम indefinite articles. Indefinite articles means to say that from the title we can get the information. Title ही बता दे रहा है आपको कि indefinite, definite and indefinite. तो definite से आपको क्या पता चलता है? How we can define to the definite? Hello. We use that word in our day-to-day life. Definite. Definite means definitely I will come there. Definitely I will do the work.
Surely.
Confirmation is there. Okay. Confirmation की जब हमें पूरा confirmation होता है उसे हम जब उस हमें कॉन्फिडेंस होता है पूरा कंफर्म इंफॉर्मेशन होता है एक जो भी एक जो चीज होगी या किसी के बारे में हमें कॉन्फिडेंस होगा या हमें पता होगा तो हम डेफिनेटली ये वर्ड का इस्तेमाल करते हैं कि यस डेफिनेटली यस आई कैन डू definitely I will be there, definitely we will go there, whatever. So means that your confidence level is very high and you have already confirmed the information, you have got the whole knowledge about the information at the moment we use the word definite. confirmation जब होता है तब हम definite का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, बराबर है? हेलो.
Yes, sir.
And now indefinite, it is the opposite word of a definite. So how we can identify it? Indefinite, when you have not under 100% sure. Okay, definite means 100% sure. When we are 100% sure, so we used that word. Yes, definitely, whatever. So the word we use. But actually, when we are not very sure, we are not 100% sure, we have some doubts in our mind. So at the moment we are used indefinite word. Okay, in the same kind of a manner, indefinite and definite, these are the two parts of articles. You can see the first part there is given indefinite articles. Okay, so there indefinite articles, A is used before a word starting with the consonant. If you have a book, somebody else, Pathfinder, which is prepared for the NDA examinations, if you have got that books, you will find out because I am teaching this part from the Pathfinder notes. So if you have books, you can open your books on page number 415 and you can see the information is given on that, and I am going to explain all that informations to you from that notes. Okay, so here indefinite articles means here A is A and N. A and N is called indefinite articles. A and N. N is categorized into the indefinite articles. Got it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you
Sir.
can get that
Yes, sir.
information ki when we can categorize through the articles. Definite articles is the and indefinite articles is a and. So the first part we are studying indefinite articles. In that indefinite articles a and an, these two articles comes in the category of indefinites. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Indefinite articles, when we are going to use that articles, indefinite articles, at the moment, firstly, there are some rule. We have to follow that rule. We have to keep also, we are getting throughout the, first of all, keep in your mind, you will be get confusion, sir. What informations we are getting. So we are being already known about the articles, but we have to get some deep knowledge about the articles, and then you will find out that more informations about the spotting error. So then we will discuss about the spotting error. पहले पहले तो हमें रूल्स रेगुलेशन पता होना चाहिए कि आर्टिकल्स कौन से है, क्योंकि आपको जब स्पॉटिंग एरर आता है तो आपको ऑल अराउंड तरीके से उसको ख्याल करना पड़ता है कि भाई इसके अंदर जो सेंटेंस आ रहा है स्पॉटिंग एरर में, जो आता है आपको स्पॉटिंग एरर जो है 10 क्वेश्चन आते हैं एनडीए में फॉर 5 मार्क्स 50 मार्क्स 10 क्वेश्चन आते हैं 50 मार्क्स के लिए। तो यहाँ पर आपको जो कम से कम एक जो क्वेश्चन आएगा, एक क्वेश्चन मेरे हिसाब से एक या दो 100% I am sure that that will be on articles. Spotting error, you have to find out that articles, whether the articles properly given before a noun or not. Spotting error में क्या होता है, कोई बताएगा मुझे क्या होता है spotting error? हेलो
सर
सर एक
अगर कोई
सेंटेंस दिया होता है
सेंटेंस
उसमें से
में
कुछ पार्ट एरर होता है और वो हमें आइडेंटिफाई करना होता है।
यस ओके, अब मैं आपको बता देता हूँ, क्योंकि आप एनडीए को प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं। एनडीए जो होता है, जो 200 मार्क्स का इंग्लिश का पेपर होता है, उसके अंदर 200 इंग्लिश क्वेश्चन 200 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन आते हैं उसके अंदर। तो 50 क्वेश्चन होते हैं इंग्लिश पे। कितना? 50, पता है आपको?
यस सर।
यस सर।
हाँ, 50 क्वेश्चन जो है वो डिवाइड होते हैं अलग अलग ग्रामर एटम्स पर। तो आपको पता है क्या कौन से ग्रामर एटम आते हैं उसके अंदर? पहला तो है सिनोनिम्स, एंटोनिम्स। सिनोनिम्स आते हैं कम से कम 10 आते हैं, समटाइम्स 8 आते हैं, लेकिन मिनिमम 10 आते हैं। उसके बाद में है तुम्हारा एंटोनिम्स, वो भी नियर अबाउट 10 आते हैं, 10 और 10। सो हाउ वी कैन गेट टू दैट synonyms and antonyms? If somebody have a vocabulary, good vocabulary or a great vocabulary, then you are able to solve the synonyms or antonyms. These are the 20 marks synonyms and antonyms. Keep in your mind, you have to get the throughout the syllabus of NDA. Don't get the confusion. First of all, 50 questions comes, that is for 200 marks. Each question is considered of a 4 marks. Okay, then the parts comes synonyms, second one is antonyms, then third one is spotting error. Okay, fourth one is that aid to comparison बोल सकते हैं उसे हम। comprehension means to, so that there would be a one paragraphs and you have to give some of the answers of some questions which has been given by the paragraph below of the paragraphs. And the fifth one is that improvement of the sentences.
सर कॉम्प्रिहेंशन के कितने सेंटेंस होते हैं क्वेश्चन?
हाँ, तो ये जो है अभी सिनोनिम्स में आपको 10 क्वेश्चन आते हैं। देखो मैं आपको बताता हूँ, यानी पहले लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट दिस बिकॉज यू विल गेट लॉट ऑफ कंफ्यूजन इन योर माइंड। सो यू हैव टू ब्रिंग दैट पाथ फाइंडर बुक्स फॉर दैट योर फ्यूचर गाइडेंस। ओके, तो उसके अंदर हर आपको जो भी सिलेबस है एनडीए का, वो इंग्लिश का सिलेबस पर्टिकुलरली ऑल सिलेबस इज कवर्ड देयर नियर अबाउट, मीन्स ऑल सब्जेक्ट्स सिलेबस इज कवर्ड. But generally I am an English teacher, that is why I am giving information about the English. So here synonyms 10 questions, antonyms 10 questions, then spotting error 10 questions, comparison जो होता है वो near about 10 questions, और improvement of the sentences, that is called PQRS. You know very well PQRS, what is that? That the sentences is given in a jumbling order and you have to get that sentence in a one means in a sequence. Sequentially, you have to identify which is the proper sequence of that. For example, here in improvement of sentences, if I said I eat a mango, so might be here this sentences is this sentence will be distributed into the P, Q, R, S like that, and it will be in a jumble order. Okay, so you have to get the proper sequence of the sentence, that is called improvement of sentences. Okay, and the next one, ये अगर इतना part is totally depend upon the paper setter, how he is going to set the paper first of all. So here the sixth part also comes idioms and phrase. Idioms and phrase. अभी इसके ऊपर भी मिनिमम 5 क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं. सो ये क्या करते हैं, फिर सिनोनिम्स 8 ही देंगे आपको, एंटोनिम्स 8 देंगे, स्पॉटिंग एरर तो कंफर्म 10 क्वेश्चन आती है. कंपैरिजन अगर नहीं आए तो उसके जगह आपको इडम्स एंड फ्रेज. इडम्स एंड फ्रेज पता है आपको क्या है होता है? हेलो हेलो, इडम्स एंड फ्रेज पता है क्या?
नो सर.
मराठी में आपण त्याला म्हणतो म्हणी. म्हणी, वाक्यप्रचार. म्हणी, वाक्यप्रचार जे असतात ते पण तिथे विचारल्या जात असतात. Sometimes it is asked in your NDA paper. You can find out from the paper. But like that, this is your syllabus is distributed. So here synonyms and antonyms is totally questions has been asked on these synonyms, and it's totally aim to check your vocabulary. इनका जो एम होता है आपकी vocabulary चेक करना इतना ही होता है कि आप जो vocabulary in your future life you want to become an officer, so that is why how is your vocabulary. So that informations you should, if you got some of the difficult word, you can mention in your notebooks. You have to increase your vocabulary more and more by reading daily newspaper, by watching movies, English movies or English feature films, whatever. So if you are getting some new word in, so you have to mention in your diary, and you have to get through the synonyms of that word as well as the antonyms of that word. So if you prepared near about 1000 word, so definitely these parts of that NDA you can easily able to solve. Okay, the comparison means to say that a paragraph will be given there, and you have to solve some of the questions given under that. Okay, so that is that comprehension. So that it is also check your vocabulary as well as your eligibility, how you are fast to solve, how you are eligible to read and understood that paragraph. Okay, improvement of the sentence means to that it check your grammar knowledge, whether you are, how many mistakes you are doing in the grammar in a English speaking as well as in English writing. So that's why they gives you the improvement of the sentences. And then spotting error. Spotting error is totally completely deal with your grammatical knowledge. So in that, definitely spotting error related with the noun, spotting error related with the adjective, spotting error related with the means whenever you are going to solve that spotting error, you have to think in that manner. In this sentence, where the spotting error means where the error is given, की याच्यामध्ये ह्या सेंटेन्स मध्ये नेमकं एरर कुठे दिलंय, का एरर दिया है, ये आपको अगर पता करना है तो आपको डीप ग्रामर नॉलेज होना बहुत जरूरी है. I think before whenever our this online class has been start, before teachers, before I think Nikita madam was there, and she has taught you some of the grammar parts. So in that, and today I am going to teach you one of the grammar part, that is articles. And articles means to say that word which is used before the confirmation of a noun, that is articles. So generally in our up to the 10th standard, articles means to say that our teacher tell us articles means a and the, but we want to add definite that articles. So that is we called articles means to a word which is used for the confirmation of the noun, that is a and the. These are the three words which is already we used common noun, proper noun, whatever. So, but before the noun we used these three word, and these three word is called articles in the English language. Okay, got it? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Got it? If you are confusion, you can ask me, okay? Don't worry about it. You ask me whatever your confusion is there about the whole NDA, because I am teaching this NDA subject to the RIGM class, RIGM school and junior college last from the 14 years. And if you have got some of the doubts in your mind regarding to the syllabus, regarding to the question, you can ask me directly. Don't worry about it. Okay. So now we are going to move forward toward the articles. Keep in your mind, there are the three articles in English language. So how we can define to the articles? The articles, a word which is used in before a noun to get the confirmation of a noun or a pronoun, it is called articles. Okay. Then the articles is divided into two parts. Keep in your mind, articles are divided into two parts. First is indefinite articles, and second one is that definite articles. Okay. Got
Yes,
it?
sir.
Yes, and here here I am going to explain some of the rules of indefinite articles. ए जो होता है, हम indefinite articles में उसको डिवाइड करते हैं, और उसका रूल क्या है, वो रूल आपको आगे दिखाई पड़ेंगे. अभी हम इंडेफिनेट आर्टिकल्स के रूल पढ़ेंगे, उसके बाद में डेफिनेट आर्टिकल्स के रूल पढ़ेंगे, फिर कुछ जो ओमेशियस होते हैं, ओमिशियन होते हैं. ओमिशियंस मीन्स स्पेसिफिक केस में जो आर्टिकल्स है वो यूज नहीं किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कैन यू टेल मी दैट व्हेन वी यूज एन? Anybody else? When we can use a an?
Sir, when there is A, E, I, O,
Sir,
U
when
in
there is a specific
different
noun for
word.
any article.
अभी मैं तो आपको मुझे नाम भी पता नहीं आपके, लेकिन जो पहला आंसर था when
Sir,
there
for
is a,
example, an apple.
हाँ, सो बराबर है, लेकिन क्यों, कब हम उसे यूज करते हैं? जिसने भी बताए A, E, I, O, U, when the spelling is start, that word spelling is start from A, E, I, O, U. What is this A, E, I, O, U?
Vowels.
Vowels. These are the vowels. That is called in Marathi or in Hindi swara. A, E, I, O, U. Okay. So when the word is started from A, E, I, O, U vowels, we use and. Generally, we use and. Okay. This is the very common rule which is taught by our teacher up to the 10th standard. But actually, there are some what we can say omission means त्याला मराठीमध्ये किंवा हिंदी में हम उसे कहते हैं, या मराठी में उसे कहते हैं हम अपवाद है कि जो हमें उसको दूर रखना पड़ता है एन से, उसके अंदर कॉन्ट्ररी, वो भी हमें पढ़ना है आगे. तो सबसे पहले हम ए आर्टिकल्स के रूल पढ़ने वाले हैं. ए आर्टिकल्स के रूल देखिए. Indefinite articles, A is used before the word starting with a consonant. Consonant means consonant sound. Okay. This is the first rule of using a article. Articles a is used before the word starting with consonant sound. Consonant sound means to say that there are the 26 alphabet in English language. A to Z, these are the 26 alphabets. So regarding from these 26 articles, 6 are vowels. That is called five. A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels, and remaining 21 alphabets are called consonant sound. Okay, got it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Got it? Because there are the 26 alphabets. So from that 26 alphabets, A to Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Q, R, S, T, U, W, X, Y, Z. So these are the 26 alphabets. From these 26 alphabets, we can take out 5 vowels. Which are the 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U.
You.
These are the 5 vowels. Okay, these are the 5 vowels. Okay, if we minus 26 minus 5, these 5 vowels हमने अगर minus कर दिया तो remaining 21 alphabets, और ये 21 alphabets को हम क्या बोलेंगे? हम उनको कहेंगे ये कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड है. मराठी में उसे कहते हैं व्यंजन. व्यंजन. और वॉवेल्स को कहते हैं स्वर. तो ये जब भी 21 अल्फाबेट से अगर कोई स्पेलिंग यानी नाउन शुरू होता है तो हम उसे क्या उसके पहले क्या लगाते हैं? ए लगाते हैं. ए आर्टिकल्स लगाते हैं. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट
Yes, sir.
जो रूल है वो भी सिंपल है बहुत, जो वही हमें रिपीट करना है. नेक्स्ट रूल उन्होंने दिया है, देखिए. इन आइडेंटिफाई indefinite articles, and is used with the word starting with the vowel sound, and there are the 5 vowels is given: A, E, I, O, U. You can find out. These are the so sometimes when the noun is started from that the vowel A, E, I, O, U, suppose that the word or noun is starting from the vowel sound, we have to use and before that word. Okay, before that word. बघा, मैं हिंदी में से बात करता हूँ, बहुत से लोगों को नहीं समझ में आएगी. तो जब हमें जो भी वर्ड दिया जाता है, अगर वो वर्ड वॉवेल साउंड से शुरू होता है या नाउन होता है, वो वॉवेल साउंड से शुरू हो रहा है, तो उसके पहले हमें एन का यूज करना पड़ता है. और जब कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड होता है तो उसके पहले हमें ए का इस्तेमाल करना पड़ता है. ठीक है. और द एग्जाम्पल इज गिवन देयर. यू कैन सी द एग्जाम्पल on your screen. An umbrella is kept there. Okay, an umbrella is kept there. So why you will find out in this sentence that umbrella is a name of one thing, that is we can conclude it to the noun. umbrella एक जो नाम है, किसका है वो नाम? एक चीज का नाम है. तो वह उसके पहले एन लगा है, एन दिया हुआ है. एन क्या है अभी यहाँ पर? वॉवेल साउंड. क्यों एन दिया है? एन है हमारा आर्टिकल्स, और उसके जो बाद में आने वाला जो वर्ड है वो वॉवेल साउंड से उसकी शुरुआत हो रही है, वॉवेल अल्फाबेट से उसकी शुरुआत हो रही है. इसलिए हम उसे अ अम्ब्रेला नहीं कहेंगे, एन अम्ब्रेला कहेंगे. An umbrella is kept there. Okay, got it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. अभी नेक्स्ट देखिए, आपको कंफ्यूजन आ जाएगा. अरे यार, हमको तो बताया गया है कि जब वॉवेल साउंड होता है तो आप वॉवेल साउंड में एन का इस्तेमाल